Finding the interest earned using the present value of an annuity. In this video, we're going to use the present value of an annuity formula to find the interest earned on the annuity. Find the interest earned on the present value of an annuity if you pay $1,000 annually for 16 years at a rate of 10% compounded annually. First, we're going to find the present value of the annuity using the present value formula. Next, we'll take that value that we found for present value and substitute it into the formula for interest earned and solve for I. That will be our final answer. First, identify the values for P, I, and N. P is $1,000. I is 0.1, that's 10% written as a decimal, and then we divide by the number of times it's compounded a year, and it's compounded annually. So we divide by 1, which just gives us a value of 0.1. N is found by taking the number of times it's compounded, which is 1, and multiplying that by the number of years, which is 16. So N is 16. So first, we substitute the values for P, I, and N into the formula. Now we're going to work from the inside out, looking at the parentheses, and we'll add 1 plus 0.1 together, and we get 1.1. Next, we'll raise 1.1 to the 16th power, and you should get a decimal of 4.594972986. Now, you'll write that number down, 4.594972986, clear your calculator, and then do 1 divided by that number and type that decimal number in. You should get a decimal of 0.2176291358. Next, you'll write that number down on a piece of paper, and then clear your calculator and do 1 minus 0.2176291358. When you do that calculation, you should get a decimal of 0.78237088642. You can keep that number in your calculator, push the division sign, and then 0.1, and you'll get the next value, which is 7.8237088642. Then lastly, you just want to multiply that by 1,000 to get the present value. So the present value rounded to 2 decimal places is $7,823.71. This is not your final answer. We're going to take this value and plug it in for the present value in the interest earned formula to solve for I. So we'll just take the values that we previously found for N and P and plug them into the formula, and then we'll take the value we found for present value and plug that into the formula. So we have the interest earned, I, equals 16 times 1,000 minus $7,823.71. First, you'll multiply 16 by 1,000 to get 16,000. Next, you'll subtract $7,823.71, and we get a final answer of $8,176.29, and that's the amount of interest earned on the present value annuity.